Alright, a quick how-to on how I would remove this was just a standard cabinet door that got ordered with a panel, and we needed to remove the panel so we could put glass in it because the customer changed their mind. So I basically just make a frame out of like 3/4 inch MDF around the whole thing, test it with like a 16th or 1/8 inch router bit, doesn't really matter, just as long as it's small. Check to see how far over you need um, to get the full panel out. You know, where the edge of the panel is, and then where the edge of the notch is. Once you know where the notch is, you can actually just set the router up and put the router bit to the edge of that notch. Set the bit in place, mark it, measure your distance, cut a piece of that size, tack it down on all 4 sides, and you'll notice I made the top and bottom fit inside the sides. You'll see why in a second. But then you just go against the edge, route it all out. Feel like the Karate Kid for a minute at work. And then I had another door that was the same width but a different height. So then I just took the top piece, or maybe I made a second top piece. Anyways, it fits inside, so you could use the same frame for another door. Another way you could do it is if you were using a table saw and do a drop cut, but I like this way better. It's cleaner, and if you have to do a bunch of doors, this is a lot more repeatable. Gracias. That means thank you. If you want to see a microscope video, click there. If you want to see a how-to, click there. If you want to subscribe, click there. If you want to see it, you get Rickrolled, click there. Okay.